Dear students, in this session, I'll tell you how to make a collage. I'll share some of the tips to you. First, pick a theme. It can be home or school or anything, or any special interest of yours, an event or just an idea that you have been thinking about. Okay. Then second, start collecting images related to the theme. Think about how you want to put the pieces together. And next, you can make decisions about the layout. Begin the process of affixing the images and the objects you have chosen. Next, proceed until all the articles are glued into the paper. Okay, and next, once the collages have dried, you can draw on or write in any text that you think which fits into the collage. Work on a layout for the images and then think about bits of found objects, some leaves or seeds or bits of string or plastic or metal or something, any material of your own choice, or some glitters also you can use. And you can use some different colors of tape or paper which will add more texture and color to your collage. So now your collage is ready to hang. So this is how you can follow certain tips to make the collage. And I'll tell you how to make collage by using a standard technique. The first one is determine the purpose, and the second step is select magazines, appropriate magazines, and the third step is group imagery, and the fourth step is decide orientation of background, and fifth step is structure the composition, and the sixth step is paste the collage. Okay, so I'll explain you in detail. First, determine the purpose. So what you have to do means, the starting point is for the starting point of making collages to determine what the collage is used for, what will be displayed in the collage, and the second important thing, you have to determine how the collage will be used. Okay, and just determine the purpose first. Okay, and second thing, determine the magazines and or imagery will produce the most suitable material, because certain magazines are already focused on some certain target of your group or some lifestyle. So take advantage of them. Intuitively gather as much raw imagery as possible for your theme. Okay, so second, group together the imagery that concerns the target group, environment, and handling, actions, products, color, material, and so on. Okay, so at the same time, make a selection according to usable and less usable images, but don't throw anything away. Okay, and next step is, for each collage decide the orientation of the background. Ask yourself what influence it will have on the picture that you want to convey. Okay, and next is, try by means of small sketches to set down the structure of the composition by paying attention to the creation of lines and axes. Okay, so describe the consequences and state whether they are desirable in relation to your picture. Okay, and next, think which consequences this treatment of the imagery like clipping or cutting or cheering will have for the overall picture. Okay, you yourself ask the question, does the background have its own color, or will the collage be filled entirely with imagery? So decision to create a framework or background will be of significant to the overall picture. So think well before you do it. Okay, and also examine which imagery will be placed on the foreground or in the background. So consider the size of the imagery also, and the relationship with the underground, how it matches, how it fits to the underground. Okay, and after that, identify which consequences play a role in merging or integrating or separating the available pictures. So make a provisional composition of the collage with the means at your disposal. Okay, so assess the overall picture finally. And the last 10th step is you have to paste the collage. Okay, so paste the collage once the picture meets your expectations and contains most of the characteristics and they are identifiable. Okay, so this is how we have to uh, make the collage by using some of the steps. Okay, thank you for active listening.